Wake up, mama's mad cause I stayed up, sneaking out trying to meet with someone I shouldn't see, picking up at what's wrong with me. My house, sometimes it gets too loud, so I wait till my girls pull up in that Datsun 3. Careful that we don't lose those keys.